Yeah, hi Dave, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, this is your VAU 1252. So basically, yeah, I've stripped this one down for you. I've cleaned the cogs up. The cogs are actually quite crapped up, so I've given them a good clean. Checked the micro switch and also looked at your board as well, because you've got a couple of fat caps on there, but they seem to be all alright. There's no leaks or anything on them. They shouldn't. They're not put under strain anyway. So yeah, I've gone ahead and put a brand new laser in there for you, and I'll just boot this up for you, and you can hear it playing. So yeah, I go straight into a track now. Let me just turn that up for you. You can hear that playing there. So yeah, that one's all done for you, and that's been on test there for several hours. It's not showing any errors, any faults. Of course, you've got a 6-month warranty on the laser. We only warrant the laser for that, the 6-month warranty, because obviously we can't warrant your other parts because they're, like 25 years old. So, but you shouldn't have any issues with that anyway. So, yeah, that one's ready to be shipped. I'm working on the other one right now. So, thank you very much.